Hello friends, today we will learn how to set the secure boot and how to set the boot mode in Lenovo IdeaPad 330 laptop. So let me power on the system, and you have to press F2 to get into the BIOS. Continuously press F2. So once you are there, you can see you have information, configuration and security. Then you have boot. Come here in the boot mode. You can select UEFI boot or legacy boot, and then if you come here in the security, you will see something called secure boot, which once you go there in the secure boot, you have to press enter key, and it will give you option. Whatever, if you want to enable it, you can enable it, or if you want to disable it, you can disable it. So just choose that. Once you are done, you have to press F10 to save and exit. So just choose yes, press on yes. You are done with the secure boot disabling in the IdeaPad 330 BIOS.